morning, students. So now you all are ready to begin with our today's classes? Very good. How many of you have attended your prayer? Yes? You all? Very good. So after prayer, we always share some yoga or exercise session, and I have told you that it is really very important to do your exercise, to do yoga every day. So I hope you all are doing that. Now, one thing, you all can do a small little thing, that when you are doing this yoga, just make a small video and share with me. Let me see how many of you are doing it correctly and how many of you need to practice little more. Okay? So now it's time. We'll begin with our today's classes. So today is 5th August 2021 and the day is Thursday. And Thursday is which day of the week? Just count on the fingers quickly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Thursday is 4th day of the week. Then comes Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Isn't it? So keep revising your days of the week as well. So now class, we are going to begin with our maths work. What we are going to do in maths today? Ma'am is going to teach you how you can compare two given objects on the basis of their weight. Now listen. कोई भी चीज जब आप उसे पिक करते हो तो कुछ चीजों को आप इजीली उठा पाते हो, इजीली पिक कर पाते हो, बट फॉर सम थिंग्स कुछ चीजों के लिए क्या होता है, यू नीड टू पुट लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स, आपको उनके लिए थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स लगाना पड़ता है, राइट? सो व्हाई इट इज सो, ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ देयर वेट, उनके अंदर जो वजन होता है. नाउ वन थिंग, When you were very small, आपने देखा होगा जो बिल्कुल छोटे छोटे बेबीज होते हैं, मम्मा पापा और anyone, they always keep carrying them because it's easy and they don't know how to walk. But when you grow big, जब आप बड़े हो जाते हो, they stop carrying you because आपका weight increase हो जाता है, isn't it? Similarly, if we go with fruits, कुछ फ्रूट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो आप इजीली पिक कर लेते हो, बट देयर आर सम फ्रूट्स व्हिच आर नॉट इजी फॉर यू टू पिक. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई टेक अ वाटरमेलन और वेजिटेबल्स में अगर हम पंपकिन लेते हैं, सो दे आर सो बिग इन साइज, यू कैन नॉट पिक इट क्योंकि वो बिग भी है और वो हेवी भी है, भारी है, isn't it? But if I ask you to pick one orange, one apple, then a bunch of grapes, it is easy for you. Why? Because they are light in weight. उनका जो वजन है वो बहुत हल्का है, isn't it? तो जब हम weight को compare करते हैं, we call it heavy, जो भारी चीजें होती हैं जिनको pick करने में हमें efforts लगाने पड़ते हैं, and light, which are easy to pick. For example, now just pick your book. See class, this is your maths book. It's easy to pick, isn't it? आप बहुत आराम से इस बुक को पिक कर पाते हो because it is very light. If ma'am asks you to pick the whole bag, पापा का ऑफिस वाला बैग पिक करना है, where it is having laptop, lot of files, पापा का water bottle, tiffin, the bag which papa carries to office. अगर आपको वो पिक करना होगा, you won't be able to pick. Why? Because that is very heavy in weight. I'll just show you one bag. Give me a second. So now see, this is one big bag. Ma'am का bag है. It is so heavy, you cannot pick it, right? So you need to put lot of efforts to pick it. But it is very easy to pick your book, because it is light in weight. So when we compare the weight, जब हम दो चीजों का weight compare करते हैं, then we compare them on two things, that is heavy heavy होता है जो भारी चीजें होती हैं, and light the one that is हल्का, light in weight, easy to pick. Now picking this pencil is very easy, it's very light in weight, isn't it? अब मैम आपको बोलती है you have to pick a brick. brick पता है ना, ईंट, बड़ी सी ईंट जो होता है, अगर आपको वो ईंट को, उस ब्रिक को पिक करना है, you have to put lot of efforts. आप उठा पाओगे बट आपको efforts, आपको दोनों hands की जरूरत पड़ेगी, दोनों hand से पिक करना पड़ेगा. But in case I ask you to pick this pencil, it's easy. आप एक पेन, एक hand को use करोगे and you'll start. For eraser also, it's very easy. आप पिक करोगे because they are very light in weight. Now I ask you कि घर पे जो बेड है जिस पे आप सोते हो, just pick it up. Is it possible? No, आप पिक कर ही नहीं सकते because it is very very heavy in weight, isn't it? मम्मा पापा भी कितने efforts लगाते हैं उसको move करने के लिए. So the things that are heavy, जो बहुत भारी हैं, जो नहीं पिक हो पाती हैं, we call them heavy. And the one which are easy to pick, जिनका वजन हल्का है, they are light. Flower, flower is very light in weight. You all can pick a flower. अब क्या आप ट्री को उठा सकते हो? या ट्री में जो लॉग होती है, जो वुड होती है, can you pick it? No, we cannot, because it is very very heavy in weight. Understood? Now just look at the board. I have two fruits, one watermelon sorry, and the other one is grapes. So tell me which one is heavy for you? Heavy मतलब भारी. Which one will be heavy? Watermelon will be heavy for you. So what we will do? We'll pick this up, heavy, and we'll write here heavy. Heavy मतलब जो भारी होता है, जो हमें पिक करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत लगती है. For example, you can also take your benches in the class. आपकी क्लास में जो chairs हैं, tables हैं, they are very heavy. You cannot pick them. Laptop is heavy to pick, but mobile is very easy. Mobile lightweight होता है, isn't it? When you are taking classes from your mobile, जब आप videos को mobile में view करते हो, so you can hold it. But when you are viewing it on laptop, अगर मम्मा ने या पापा ने आपको लैपटॉप पे व्यू कराया है, तो what happens? You have to keep it on the table. आप उसको ऐसे हैंड में पकड़ के नहीं बैठ पाते हो, because it is heavy in weight. Understood? Now we have a brick and a pencil. So which one is heavy? Brick is heavy. So just put a tick here and we'll write heavy. Now class, I have two bowls. One is empty, एक बाउल खाली है, and the other bowl is having some sweets kept in it. एक बाउल में sweets है. तो अब बताइए, I'll give you two bowls. See here. So let's take an example of chalk box. This is the chalk box. I have chalk box. So the weight of this chalk box, and once I empty it, the weight of this chalk box, किसका weight ज़्यादा होगा? Which one will be heavy? When the chalks were inside. Why? Because जो chalk का weight है, वो भी इसमें add हो गया ना? Isn't it? अभी खाली box में कोई weight नहीं है. But if you will put something, for example, I'll put this duster. तो duster का weight आ गया ना? तो इसका weight increase हो गया. So when we are talking of two things, empty वाला जो है वो light होगा and this will be heavy. Understood all? तो heavy का क्या meaning होता है? Heavy means भारी. जब किसी चीज का वजन बहुत ज्यादा होता है या जब हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, बहुत ज्यादा में भी अगर आप दो चीजों को कंपेयर कर रहे हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अब आप एक चींटी और हाथी को कंपेयर करोगे, an ant and an elephant, then obviously elephant will be heavy and ant will be light in weight, isn't it? So we have learned that there are two ways of comparing objects on their weight One is heavy and the other one we call it light. या तो वो heavy होगा या वो light. Understood all? Okay. So now it's time we move towards our work in the book. So all of you open book on page number 16 and 17 will be the classwork. 18 will be homework. Clear? So all of you open your book on page number 16 and let's start with the work there. Okay class? So class, now when you will open your book on page number 16, you will find the topic heavy and light. First, write down today's date and mention classwork there and see. Look at the picture in each box. Point out the object that is heavier. आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे जो ये 4 पिक्चर्स दिए हुए इसमें आपको heavy यानी कि भारी ऑब्जेक्ट को पॉइंट करना है. तो we'll put a tick mark. Now if you compare a kettle and a feather, ये एक पंख है और ये kettle है. So kettle will be heavy. Then we have your school bag and Papa's bag, office bag. Which one will be heavier? Papa's bag. Then a big papaya and an apple. Papaya, very good. Now we have a big dining table and a small stool. A big dining table, yes. Understood? And now on the other side, again page number 17 is your today's classwork. Here you have to look at the picture in each box and circle heavier one. आपको heavy वाले को circle करना है. Now you have an elephant and a butterfly. कौन heavy होगा? Elephant. So just make a circle around elephant like this. Now a watermelon and a lemon. क्या heavy होगा? Watermelon. So let's circle watermelon here. Then we have a brick and a 5 rupee coin. So brick will be heavier one. Now here you have a lock and keys. इन दोनों को separately अगर आप weight करोगे, which one will be heavier? Lock heavy होगा. Isn't it? So like this you will do your classwork, and on page number 18 you will do your homework. So write down homework और यहाँ पे आपको lighter objects को circle करना है जो light in weight होंगे. Understood? Is your work clear? So 18 is your homework, 16 and 17 are your classworks. Clear all? Bye bye. Take care.